Hey, so give them a little introduction to yourself and how you got to this point.
So my name is David Omari, and I do YouTube automation, and basically what that is just a passive way of doing YouTube without showing your face. I started YouTube probably like 10 years ago, just fresh out of high school. I literally had a video get 100 views in a month, and I was like, man, for a channel with no followers, no subscribers, that's pretty crazy. Like, how am I getting views on something like that? And so I said, let me try it again. Ended up doing another video. That video ended up getting like 500,000 views in like 2 weeks. Made like $5,000, and from there I just never stopped uploading.
Man, so at this point, what's been like the most views you've ever gotten on a channel?
So the most views, probably one of my bigger gaming channels, got 1 billion views. And that was like my first like endeavor and jump into YouTube automation.
Billion?
1 billion views.
How much do you generate from 1 billion views?
I'm gonna actually show you. Let me.
Oh, you got the analytics on your phone?
Yeah, let me pull up the dashboard.
Oh, you got the YouTube studio loaded up.
Let me click that. Let me show you that lifetime on this channel real quick, man. Show it to the camera.
So on this channel with 1 billion views,
$969,000. So about $1 million just on ad revenue, not even including brand deals, sponsors, and you know the extra stuff that come with YouTube.
and that's not the only channel you have, right?
Nah, I had mad channels.
How many videos do you think you posted?
I want to say anywhere from 5,000 to 10,000 videos.